Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Today we've got some magic at your door. My goodness, I'll tell you, it seems like it's been forever since we got a Magic at Your Door box.
That's because we only get one.
We get like a million bibbidi bobbities and one Magic at Your Door. And I have to say, I like bibbidi bobbidi, but I think Magic at Your Door is probably my favorite box.
So I have a little news about Magic at Your Door.
Oh, a little news.
I was just on their Facebook group, which is super fun. And somebody posted that all their boxes are gone except for gold. So you can't get the bronze or the silver anymore. I'm not.
What?
I know. I did not fact check that.
That is strange.
Very strange. So we can't downgrade because we're at, what are we at? We're at silver. So what somebody,
I don't even know.
What they were saying is if you already have your silver, you can keep it. But you're not going to be able to get silver or bronze anymore. You can only get gold, which gold's 120.
But didn't we get a gold box once?
No, we've never gotten a gold box.
We've never gotten a gold box. No. It's about time we get a gold box.
Well, and that we can't because I don't want to, we're grandfathered in.
Well, we'll just have to get another one.
Well, you better get another job.
Hey, help us out in the link. Magic at Your Door. We have a link that will help us out. Helps you out. You get $10 off, right?
Yeah, with the code Disney Connections,
with
all
the
one
code
word.
Disney Connections, all one word. So click on the link. What?
Nothing.
Click on the link, get yourself a box, help us out, and we'll get the gold box for you. So.
Well, we'll get it for us.
Well, we'll get it for us to show you the Magic at Your Door box. Here it is.
Oh, something's in there. This is the spoiler.
Yeah.
Or actually, it's not a spoiler.
It's not a spoiler.
It's their newsletter. So we hope you love these magical Disney surprises that were selected specifically for you because you get to choose your preferences on what you like and don't like. Be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your magic box, including the insides of each item, as you never know where more Disney magic may be hiding.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
So now they also allow you to shop directly from their site. So if you see something in our video, quite possibly you could just go to their site and buy that one item. Or
you could go to DisneyConnections.com and we might have that item on our merchandise list. So all sorts of places for you to go to check out to get your own Disney merch brought right to your house.
Look at this red, white, and blue.
I know, I love it. It's like, is this July? This is a July box, right? It is.
I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I have been saying to them that I would love to have some patriotic stuff, even though it's past 4th of July. So I wonder if maybe they just gave us patriotic foozles. Maybe there's something patriotic. Let's find out.
Or confetti, but foozles for just ginger.
I like foozles. Okay, let's see.
All right.
Let's go.
Nice and packed in there.
There's a lot of stuff in there. Ooh, I see a red box.
All right, let's take a look at this first. So we've been checking these out, right?
We have?
Oh, wait. No, this is totally...
Those are socks.
Never mind. I thought it was one of those like little stuffed plushes.
Oh, the wishables?
Yeah, the wishables. That's what I thought.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
No, I
roll those back up.
Totally got it back. Well, they were in there all sloppy.
Look how cute this is. Look, it's a cupcake.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's a Mickey cupcake.
Oh.
Okay, now you can.
All right, now we can get it all unwrapped. Okay, whatever. Look at that.
They're cute.
They are cute.
I do love a pair of Disney socks.
I do. Hey, check that out.
I do.
See how it focuses? Well, you do. Yeah. I like this though. See how it focuses on the socks? That's my Sony ZV-1. If you haven't got a new camera for your next vacation, well, not just cruising.com, plan your vacation with us, But this camera is amazing. I can't imagine what it's going to be like when we get to go on our next vacation.
I wish we would have had it in France.
I know. Totally wish we could have had this.
All right, so we got some socks.
All right, socks. Cool. I love them.
They're like confetti socks.
All right. Oh, there's something in here I like.
There's something in there you like? Just one thing?
There's the silver bag.
There's our silver bag.
We're going to get to that.
Okay.
Here's something I like. So, ooh. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. You know what? I think this might be the very first Disney live action movie I ever saw.
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I used to watch this over at my neighbor Ron and Judy's house.
So we put that on our wish list.
Did we really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
We put it on our wish list, and you know what's
She
fun?
put it on our wish list.
Well, we talked about it because we were supposed to be in Paris right now at Disneyland, and they still have the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. What decoration? Like what? I don't know what they call that, but you know,
prop.
Well, it's not a prop. It's like their Space Mountain is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Oh, attraction.
Attraction, yeah.
Oh.
So.
I'm booking a trip to Paris because I want to go.
Well, we did this, when we were rebooking.
I love this movie.
Yeah, that's fun.
I'm super excited.
I like that one.
That's awesome.
Nice.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see. More and more foozles. I'm looking in every nook and cranny. And let's see. What did I find? A red box.
Sure.
Oh, shoot. The picture was on the back.
I know. You spoiled it for us.
Well, I spoiled it.
But you didn't spoil it for them.
So. Check it out.
All right. Open her up.
All right. I just like how it focuses.
I'm excited about this one. I'm gonna show you why in a minute, but go ahead.
Oh, I am excited about this one, even though I saw it.
Yeah.
I don't know why you're excited. You're gonna tell me in a minute.
Here's the part that everyone complains about when you show opening of the actual boxes on the screen. But
what?
What?
What did they?
You're opening the box instead of just doing like some people when they.
Oh.
Sorry, we're opening.
Oh, check it out! Check it out!
You know what? He's much bigger than
Lumiere
than I thought he was going to be.
I love Jim Shores.
That is super cute.
Look at that.
Lumiere. Now, this is why I'm excited. Let me hold Lumiere.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to show you what we got not in our box today, but that I got you and you opened on our live show this morning.
Oh, this is awesome. You know, well, live stream a couple weeks ago because this video won't be posted for a while. But yeah, so this is, if you were watching our live stream back on August 1st, you saw this.
Yeah, so now we have 2 Jim Shore pieces from Beauty and the Beast.
Did you know that was coming?
No. And
Did you put that on your wish list?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh la la.
All right. Well, here, I'll just set that right there.
All right, let's see what's in the silver bag.
Let's see what's in the silver bag. Silver box, silver bag. More of the confetti foozles.
Make sure you don't lose something in there.
Well, okay. I'm sifting through it.
Sift through the foozles.
All right, there we go.
What is it?
Wondering. Happiness, magic, dreams. Looks like a little piece of jewelry. Oh my goodness! Did you put this on your list?
Yes. Okay. She's probably gonna watch. But I got.
Maybe she won't make it. Maybe she
won't watch.
I don't know. She'll probably watch.
I put this on our list for Mackenzie because she graduated.
You don't have to whisper. She's not in the house.
I know. Oh, how cute is this? There's little sayings on here.
Aww.
This is cute. And a little Mickey.
I think she's really gonna like it.
I do too.
Yeah. Don't tell her though. Be very quiet. I was right, Alex and Annie.
Drawing from the rich history of the Disney theme parks, this charm is inspired by tales of romance, daring adventure, and discovering your own happily ever after. Let this charm serve as a source of joy, imagination, and inspiration for all your aspirations.
How much was this box? How much did we pay?
We pay $99.
Oh, $99. Okay. That makes sense then.
Yeah, because this is 45.
45.
And then the Jim Shore.
Jim Shore is probably.
I think it was
30.
So
that's 75. The socks are probably.
This is probably 10.
Like 10.
So 85. And then these are like 20.
Okay.
95, 105. Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Just shows you why I love Magic at Your Door.
They did a good job.
Yeah. You know, if you've watched some of our videos, you'll see that we are very disappointed with one of the boxes that we get. And it was our first box. We kind of got into these, you know, subscription boxes through it. But I'll tell you, if you are looking for a subscription box to start with, Magic at Your Door is probably the way to go.
Yeah, I would totally.
Not to mention, $10 off. Click on a link. You could help us out, and then we'll get the gold box and show you what we get in the gold box. Appreciate you being here. Thank you. Check out the description. Check out all the links that we have for you. Not Just Cruising, DisneyConnections.com, Facebook group. Come on over to Facebook. All right, we post every day. Other people in the group post every day. We're over 600 members in that group, and we would love to interact with you over there. Yeah. Also on Saturdays. Now, times might be changing, so stay tuned. Over the next few weeks, we're going back to school, and so we'll have to see what Saturday brings. But our plan is Saturdays, 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, where we can come and interact with you right on YouTube live. So hope to see you there. Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.